I'm underneath my SL 500 and I'm getting ready to do a 722.9 transmission upgrade on this car. And that upgrade will mean that I will be putting on the larger pan that came out right around 2010 with the 722.9 plus transmissions. They installed a larger pan and a better filter. So this is the pan I'm going to be installing right here. This is an aftermarket pan. This is not OE or OEM. It's almost exactly the same as the original pan, except it has these bigger dimples that you see here. By the way, it was not to just increase oil level. Okay, so this pan is the pan I chose. The quality, if you notice, is exceptional. Look at the edges along there. Look at the coating, the press work. But one of the things I like about this aftermarket pan is it has a bolt head instead of that little teeny Allen to get the the plug out of the pan. If any of you rounded off that Allen, and when you look at an aftermarket part and you look at this and then you look up there, what does this communicate to you? I know what it communicates to me. It communicates to me that the manufacturer cares. You don't have any problem getting this plug off. But notice right here, look who makes that pan. I have to tell you, I'm impressed. So in a short while, I'm going to start by draining the old fluid out of this pan. Now I've already done a complete video series on this, on doing this upgrade, and I even have a kit which includes this new pan, the proper OE filter, the new stretch bolts, and even a pressure tank to refill the transmission once you get the new pan on. These are some of the other parts I will be installing in this upgrade. These are the stretch bolts. These always have to be replaced anytime you drop the pan to change the filter. These are URO bolts, and this is the URO green fill pipe, because when I put the bigger pan on, I also have to remove the white fill pipe and install this one. I just had to show you this pan. You know, a week ago I did this job on another car, and I remember taking the pan out of the box, and my first thought was, wow, look at the quality of that. URO has started to produce parts that are better than any other part available, be it OE, OEM, or aftermarket. And that's these breather hoses for the M112 and M113. Now, how many of those engines do you think are out there? And if any of you have been around those engines, you know these breathers are always bad. After 4 or 5 years, they're hard, they're brittle, they break. And URO came up with a special compound. This is not standard rubber right here. This is a special compound that they guarantee will not rot, harden, and crack. So what they've done is they've introduced a new product called Lifetime Warranty URO Premium. So when you buy these breather hoses right here, you get a lifetime warranty on them. Is there any other manufacturer out there doing that?